Finding signal before 2009 was simple. If your TV displayed a snowy screen, you could adjust the antenna until the picture became clear. Now, locking onto digital signal can be much more difficult. Digital television is all or nothing. Either there is enough signal for a crisp, clear picture, or there is not enough signal for a picture at all. Simplify the search for signal with the Winegard SensarPro TV Signal Strength Meter. With only a few simple buttons, the SensarPro Signal Meter can help you peek on a signal in just seconds so you can start watching TV. Without the SensarPro Signal Meter, your best option is to go to a website such as dtv.gov and look up the available channels in your area. Using the direction and distance of broadcast towers for stations you want to receive, you must attempt to point the antenna and run a channel scan every time the antenna is repositioned. Since digital signal means either a crisp picture or no picture at all, you may end up repositioning the antenna over and over until finding a signal strong enough for the picture to show up. Instead of spending too much time repeating these same steps, the SensarPro Signal Meter simplifies the search for signal. Here's how it works. First, raise the sensor antenna. Turn the signal meter on and run a scan. If there is a certain channel you would like to view, switch to channel mode and rotate the antenna until finding the strongest signal. Once satisfied with the channels found, run a channel scan and you are ready to watch TV. The SensarPro Signal Meter is compatible with all sensor antennas and can hook up to 2 TVs or more if a splitter is used. First, connect the coax cable coming from the antenna to the antenna-in RF connection on the back of the SensarPro Signal Meter. Next, connect a cable from the TV to the TV1 RF connection and connect another cable from a second TV to the TV2 RF connection. If more than 2 televisions are needed, a splitter may be connected to TV2 to add televisions. If your RV is wired for park cable connection, connect that cable to the cable-in RF connection on the back of the SensarPro wall plate. Once the 4 cables have been attached, connect 12-volt DC power to the postmark plus sign and connect the ground to the postmark minus sign. Once the signal meter is hooked up, it takes pressing only a few simple buttons to lock onto digital signal and start watching TV. For more information on wiring the SensarPro Signal Meter, check out the wiring diagrams at www.winegard.com/SensarPro. The SensarPro Signal Meter has 2 main modes, park cable and antenna. In park cable mode, the amplifier and signal meter are turned off, but the park cable signal is passed through the unit. By pressing select, the signal meter can switch to antenna mode and cycle through the 5 antenna modes. In scan mode, the signal meter will check each RF television channel and will return the strongest signal found. Most of the time, scan mode is the only mode needed to lock on the signal and start watching TV. By switching to seek mode, the signal meter will display only viable channels along with the signal strength of each channel. Generally, a channel can be viewed at a signal strength of 40.